Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a wonderful day. Today is another vlog, so welcome to another vlog. Hope you guys are having a great week. Happy week, new week, happy new week. Okay guys, yeah, let's get into today's vlog. Yeah. So guys, today I've been decluttering my kitchen. Actually, I've been decluttering my kitchen, guys. I've been arranging some stuff. I've managed to create a bit of space in my son's room to put his drawer. Right here is my corridor where I'm pointing. There was a drawer that was here. I'll show you guys in a minute. I've taken it out. I've put it in the space I created for him in his room. I'll show you this, my corridor, in a minute. You will see that this drawer is no longer there. Yeah, and I've been decluttering because I have a lot of old plates. Although the plates right now, I'm leaving the plate now until I get a new plate that I want to get. Once I get a new plate, then I'll throw the old ones away. But I've been decluttering, trying to reorganize my pantry, and I've been cleaning my boys' room. I was doing that earlier, very early this morning. You know, I think I started around to 8, or let's say past 8, so minute past 8. I finished with their room now. I cleaned their room window. The window needed cleaning. You know, their room needed to be swept because the floor of their room is tile. Okay, so it's not like the rest of the house that has the rug carpet. That's what you call it. Yeah, so I'm trying to declutter and reorganize my little pantry here in the section here where I'm standing. I'm standing in front of my freezer. If you know my kitchen very well, if you watch my video, you would know where I'm standing in my kitchen if you are someone that keep an eye on my videos. Okay guys, but let me show you guys what I've been doing. I'm still trying to organize some things like these ones here. Needs to go to the recycle bin. Some things that I bought that I haven't even used. I just saw this, guys. I bought it only got that long. Now I'm sure it's going to 1 year. Can you guys see in the wrap? I've not even used it. Can you see that? Yeah. So I'm just trying to sort everything. But let me show you guys. Okay. Let me show you guys how messy my kitchen is before I organize it properly. And I need to remove the dry clothes from the rack as well. Okay guys, let's show you guys. Let's you guys see. Okay guys, so you guys can see I just put all these things random here. So can you see on top of my freezer? It's very messy. That's my phone and the medicine I just gave my son. Okay, so this is the corridor. Remember guys, I was saying that there was a drawer here. Okay, that's the extra cover for the drawer over there. So I've moved it to my son's room. I'm so happy I was able to create a space to put it there. Hopefully he take care of it there properly. So yeah, so I've been trying to sort out, as you can see, my pantry here is very messy. I need to clean my fridge. Oh my god. Guys, I need to clean my fridge, but I think I've said it in one of my videos before that I was going to do a video where I clean my fridge, and I think I'm going to do that video. Okay guys, if I put it in this vlog, it's going to be too long. Okay, so I just thought I would show you guys before I put it all together. So I've been trying to, I have some stuff here before. Just as I say, if you are someone that watch my vlog and you take note of my kitchen, you would have realized that I have my stuff here which I used to make my hair cream and my skin care cream, what you call it, skin cream. I don't know what to call it, but I find a place to put them in the storeroom now. So I have this space, and also I've gotten rid of all the stuff that was there. So I have this space now to put other things. And also I'm trying to organize over here. As you can see, everything here needs to be organized. Okay guys, so that's my kitchen at the moment. So let's tidy it up guys, let's tidy it up. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe. When you do subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Okay, so in this video it's like decluttering with me, tidying up, decluttering and tidying up my kitchen. Okay guys, so my face is right here. So let's start. Because I think this cloth is even dry. This is my son's jeans trousers. I've washed them. Yeah, they are dry. So I'm going to be removing them plus the ones on the rack. Okay, so I've cleaned that place already. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm going to put in my camera to, I like using my camera to vlog. It's very bright and very nice. Can you guys see? Ah, lovely. very, very, very pretty, very pretty. I like the lighting on it. Okay, yeah, makes me look very, 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 very pretty as well. Okay guys, yeah, so I'm going to put my camera somewhere so that we can both, all of us can tidy up the kitchen together. I've thrown some things away already. I didn't show you guys because I started very early in the morning. This is like past 1. I have to stop. I remember I was going to vlog today. So you know, as I'm vlogging every day, I nearly forgot I'm vlogging today, you know. So I just said, oh, let me stop, let me go and have my shower, freshen up, and then come and continue and then make it as a vlog, you know, as well. Okay guys, so let me put the camera somewhere and then we can all tidy up the kitchen together. Okay guys, thanks for your help, for helping me to tidy my kitchen. Thank you so much guys, I appreciate it. Okay, yeah guys. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching today's vlog. Please, if you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I almost forgot that I've ended the vlog because my camera battery died. Okay, so I just want to end the vlog now. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, share it, and do all those wonderful things to help my channel to grow. Guys, I need views. Please guys, share my video, share them, share it, so that people can view them, so that people can communicate with the videos. All of them. All right guys, I'm talking rubbish now. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.